Okay, Kylie, here's your questions. What human quality do we need more of in today's world? Is a glass half full or half empty? Why are manners important in today's world?
Human qualities that we need in our world today are more love and compassion. Um, our world is a broken world that we have fallen out of love with each other. Um, we, when I became sick last year, I felt love from some, but I also felt broken from others. I felt the joy of and love from my church family. They showed me the love of a benefit to help raise money because I was not able to work anymore. Where I used to work, I felt the love from them as they had a benefit for me also. But the brokenness of the why can't you work anymore? Aren't you able to work anymore? I felt the brokenness of the world and the compassion, and there was no love from anyone. The humanity of the love that God has asked us to show each other has gone from people that claim that they live as God has shown us. We need to live as God has shown us. And as Christians, we should be loving and compassionate toward others. When people are sick, when people are in need, we need to show them the love and the compassion that we have been shown, just as God has shown us.